Our new Plexr shower is one of our favorite treatments in the spa. This treatment has no downtime and is going to leave your face feeling lifted and tight. Our favorite way to do the treatment is to start with 5 minutes of a gentle cleansing. This gets your skin nice and clean and will dry you until we move on to the numbing stage. Once you're nice and numb after 15 minutes, we will then treat one side of the face. We spend 15 minutes on 3 sections, totaling 45 minutes on each side of the face. We do the treatment one side at a time, while one side has the serum on. We can choose from a variety of serums depending on your goals. Our favorite is to use our Light and Bright serum, which helps with hyperpigmentation, evening out any skin tones. We also can use the Plexr shower to help with any acne and lifting the skin. The Plexr shower is the latest technology in facials. It'll leave your skin feeling refreshed and renewed. Come on into the med spa to check it out.